Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel Scale Up. In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can swipe and go back on iPhone's home screen in this quick tutorial. So let's get started. To do this, we have to open any app on iPhone. So as you can see, I want to open games in it. So as you can see, this panel of the iPhone, you will see over here. So as you can see, the interface of this app. So you can see over here at the bottom, you will see your like small tab bar on the bottom below the apps. So you have to do is simply click on that and swipe to the app, and once you swipe up you will see your apps over here. So you can see once you swipe it to the up, and it's gonna be comes in your home page, and you want to delete any app, you have to simply swipe to the up, and you can see over here your apps as well. So you want to delete it, simply swipe your app to the up, or you can simply to the down, and it's gonna be deleted. So as you can see, it's gonna be deleted. So that's it. That's how you can do it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like my video, subscribe my channel Scale Up, and also drop me a comment for more tips and tricks videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye bye.